Welcome to Virgin Media. This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. It'll take just over an hour. You'll see this icon when we think it'd be helpful for you to pause the video. Feel free to pause at other times too. Let's start by getting your old kit uninstalled. You might need a spanner for this bit. You can find one in the box we sent. This section should take about 10 minutes. Switch off your old box at the socket. Remove the connector cable. You might need the spanner for this bit. Make sure you keep all of your old kit together and be careful not to use the old power supply with another device by mistake. You can pause the video while you do this. Check the packaging your new kit came in for more details on how to return or recycle your old kit. All done? Great! Let's get your new hub installed. You'll need the hub and the hub power supply, the one with the blue label. Feel free to pause the video now while you check you've got everything you need. This next section will take about 30 minutes. Join the two parts of the power supply together. Take the connector cable from your old hub and connect it to the new one. Use the spanner if you need to. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your new hub. Now we can plug the power supply into a main socket. Then connect the other end to your new hub. Switch the main socket on and switch on your new hub. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. You can now connect your computer and any other devices to Wi-Fi. And that's it! You're done! Nice one! Take a look at your service guides for more handy tips on your shiny new services.